Philly Blunts. Yeah. Finna get this. You ready? Here we go. No, I ain't tryna fuck your girl. I'm just tryna have some fun with your girl. You straightened her out, I put her hair in curl. She says my songs really rock her world. She hit me up when you acted dumb. She wanna pick me up to go have some fun, and I ain't gotta pay cause she got this one. She knows I'm a Mac and she loves it, bruh. She picked me up, don't call it a date. If you were a man, it don't seem that way. Don't worry, I ain't tryna take your place. Why you can't just let a player play? Insecurity is the worst damn thing. Get your shit together and get out my face. My words spray hard and they sting like mace. If I wanted your girl, nigga, you would get replaced quick. She's the type of girl you wanna marry, but the thought of her forever's kinda scary. She's the type of girl you wanna marry, but the thought of her forever's kinda scary. CMG.